Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Mahmoud. In this video, we will understand what step coupling is, why it matters in Python, and how we can refactor it into cleaner design. Have you ever seen a function that receives a huge dictionary or object, but inside the function, it only uses one or two fields? At first, this looks flexible. You can pass more data whenever you want. But after some time, this creates a hidden dependency problem. A small change in one place can break unrelated parts of your application. This design is called step coupling. Step coupling happens when a function or class receives a large data structure, but only depends on a small part of that structure. For example, imagine a function that sends an email. It only needs an email address, but instead of receiving an email address, we pass the entire user object. The function works, but there is a hidden problem. The function now depends on the complete shape of user dictionary. If another developer changes the structure, for example, the email is removed and it is added to contact object. Okay, let's to run it. The function breaks. The real dependency was only the email address, but we create a dependency on the entire object. A better design is to pass exactly what the function needs. Now the dependency is clear. The function says, I don't need a user, I only need an email address. This gives us several benefits. For example, easier testing, less knowledge between components, safer refactoring. Another example, the function receives a customer object, but it only needs the country. The second version gets the real requirements. Step coupling is not always bad. Sometimes passing an object is the correct design. It is reasonable when the function needs most of the object's data. The object represents a meaningful domain concepts. Splitting the object into many parameters would make the code harder to understand. For example, here the order object is meaningful because the whole concept of an order is being processed. The goal is not to move objects. The goal is to make dependencies explicit. Just pass the smallest amount of data that a function really needs. If, if the complete object represents the concept, passing that object can still be the right choice. If you enjoy this video, subscribe for more Python and Django topics. I would love to know your experience. Have you seen functions in your projects that receive too much data? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.